In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process can be completed in just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll be ready to send professional invoices tailored to your business needs. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. You can do this by navigating to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once there, click on the Sign In button. This is our starting point and gets us ready to create and customize our invoice. Next, ensure you choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. It's important you're in the right section of QuickBooks so that all the tools we'll be using are easily accessible. This will direct you to the appropriate dashboard where you'll manage your invoicing. You'll now be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password, then continue. It's always a good idea to double check you've entered your information correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, we can proceed to the customization steps. Now let's head over to the settings, navigate to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard and click on the settings icon. This section is integral to customizing your invoice as it houses all the necessary options for adjustments and modifications. Within settings, select account and settings. This will open a new page with various tabs, each containing different preferences you can tweak. Clicking on Account and Settings brings up the menu where we'll be making changes to your invoices. Scroll down to find and click on the Sales tab. The Sales tab contains all settings related to invoices, sales forms, and related preferences. Here, we can adjust how your invoices look and feel, ensuring they suit your business style. Within the sales settings, look for the Messages section and click on it. This is where you'll find options to edit the default email message used when sending an invoice. Personalizing your email message can help in making communications with your clients more engaging and in line with your business voice. Next, you'll want to edit the email message template. Customize the default text to include any specifics like payment terms or a personalized message. This is a great opportunity to add a personal touch to how you communicate with your clients. Similarly, don't forget to edit the email subject line. A clear and informative subject line can improve the odds that your client will immediately recognize the invoice and take the necessary action. Adjust it to reflect the nature of the invoice or your business branding. Once you've made these changes, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures all your changes are locked in and your customized invoice is ready for use. And that's it, you've now successfully created and customized an invoice in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you can ensure your invoices are professional, clear, and personalized, ready to help you manage your business finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.